You know that annoying little amber light on your dashboard. It might be trying to tell you something specific about how your car is breathing, or rather, how it is exhaling. If you have scanned your car and pulled up the code P0156, you are dealing with an oxygen sensor circuit malfunction on bank 2, sensor 2. Let's translate that into plain English. Your engine has oxygen sensors that sniff the exhaust gas to tell the computer if the fuel mixture is too rich or too lean. Bank 2 is the side of the engine opposite the number 1 cylinder, and sensor 2 means this is the sensor located downstream, or after, the catalytic converter. This sensor's main job is to monitor the health of your catalytic converter. Unlike the front sensor, which manages fuel mixture, it is a 4-wire sensor that relies on a heater to get up to operating temperature quickly. The code usually means the sensor voltage is stuck low, or it is just not waking up. While you might not feel a massive difference in how the car drives since this is a monitoring sensor, you might see a drop in fuel economy or fail an emissions test. Plus, if the computer thinks the reading is wrong, it might try to compensate unnecessarily. To fix this, you want to look at the data on a scan tool. With the engine hot, the voltage should be steady around 0.5 volts. If it is stuck low, try revving the engine. If the voltage starts moving with the RPM, you might have an exhaust leak near the sensor letting fresh air in, fooling the sensor. If the sensor is lazy and barely moves, it is likely dead. You also need to check the wiring. Unplug the sensor and check for power and ground at the connector. If you have good power and ground but the sensor is dead, simply replacing that bank 2 sensor 2 should clear your light. However, if the wiring is chewed up or melted, you will need to repair the harness. It is a straightforward fix, but ignoring it can lead to bigger exhaust system headaches down the road.